Hello viewers, in this video we will discuss how to use Ozempic pen by clicks. If we want to use 0.25 milligram or 0.5 milligram or 0.75 milligram, so we can use this Ozempic pen. The price for Ozempic pen the same is for 0.25 milligram, 0.5 and 1 milligram. So better if you buy the 1 milligram, this will be economical for you and you can calculate the dosage and take your 0.2 milligram dose of your first month or 0.5 milligram of second month. Let's see how you calculate this one. You have to attach the needle here, and for the first time or for each time when you use the pen, so you have to check the airflow. As you can see, here is the air in the pen. As you can see here, it's floating. So you have to attach the needle, push it here like this, and then press this injector button so the drops come out. Okay, after that what you will do, I have talked about it how to use the Ozempic pen in my another video. I will attach the link in the description and you can check also up in the I button. So now I will show you how to calculate the dosage by clicks. As you can see, we need 18 clicks for the first 0.25 milligram dose, and for 0.5 milligram dose we need 36 clicks, and the same like goes for the another doses. So what you will do, you will count the clicks here. As you can see, this is the first click, then the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is our 0.25 milligram dose. So better you mark this with a marker. Okay, so next time when you will come here, so this will be your first dose. Okay, the same you go further and you count until 36. So you count more 18. So you will get 0.5 milligram dose from this 1 milligram pen. Like come here until 36. For example, this is our 36. So we will mark this point. Okay. The same if you need 0.75 milligram. So add more 18 clicks. Okay. So that will be your 0.75 milligram. For more detail, please check the description. Plus, let me show you here. You can use this needle, but if it's finished, because it has limited stock here, it has 4 injection only for 4 doses, so you can use no fine needle or any insulin needles for this pen. Okay, thank you so much, and please subscribe to the Pharmacist online. Stay safe and healthy.